Hey guys, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2022 in Portland, Oregon, and this is Scott from Lumencor, and he's going to tell us about what it is that Lumencor does. So what is that, Scott?
We sell solid-state lighting for microscopy applications, material science, any kind of system that has need for good quality lighting.
So what kind of industries or specific uses would your lighting systems go into?
Any kind of microscopy, transmitted light microscopy, wide field fluorescence, super resolution, any kind of transcriptomics we've found use for our tools.
I'm sure that there are lots and lots of illumination companies out there that are doing similar sorts of things. What is it that makes Lumencor special? Why should people say, pay attention to Lumencor?
Sure. Well, I guess it started with, our kind of groundbreaking product, the Sola, which is essentially a mercury halide bulb replacement. So there's a whole list of reasons why you don't want to use mercury in your laboratory, right? Yeah. So what our founders came up with was an all solid state LED solution that mimics the spectrum of a mercury halide bulb. And our solution's cleaner, it lasts longer, it's more stable than a bulb, and that was really the running off point for the company. And from there, we've added any number of new features in our line of products, including the option for lasers, LEDs, control over each of the channels, power output. The list goes on and on.
Okay. So do you have any brand new products or anything like that's super new that you want to tell people about?
Our go-to is the Celesta. It's a up to seven laser channel light engine. And I think we're always changing it and updating it, and there's many configurations for that tool, like all of our tools. It's very customizable, and that's our go-to light engine for some of the more advanced techniques that we're trying to meet.
Okay. So if people want to find you, where should they look?
Find us on our website, www.lumencor.com. Or meet us at trade shows. Meet us at trade shows, our website. That's the easiest way. Or in your colleague's lab, because frankly, we love it when people come to us who have experience with our product. They came from labs that have used us before, or they've read about our solution or seen our products pop up in important papers, things like this. So there's any number of ways to find us. We're in some very, very quality publications, and if you want to replicate those setups, then reach out.
Oh yeah. So which specific shows do you think you'll be appearing at?
Yeah. So we're planning on going to Society for Neuroscience, ASCB. We'll be at Photonics West. I think we have a presence at Semicon West as well. So we'll be all over. So meet us there.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot, Scott. This is Eric Miller here at M&M 2022, and we'll see you on the next one.